Judge Fleischer hears brilliant legal argument about jurisdiction. Freaking awesome. Int. Small-town courthouse day, the courtroom buzzes with tension. Wooden pews are packed with locals, reporters, and law students, all whispering about the high-stakes case unfolding. At the center of it all is Judge Harold Fleischer, a grizzled veteran of the bench with a reputation for nonsense rulings and an occasional flair for the dramatic. His gavel rests on the bench, gleaming under fluorescent lights. Today's case, a heated dispute between Sarah Whitman, sharp-tongued corporate lawyer representing a tech startup, NextLeafI, and Jason Carter, a scrappy local attorney defending Greenfield Farms, a family-owned business. The issue? Jurisdiction over a contract breach that could bankrupt the farm. NextLeafI claims the case belongs in federal court due to interstate commerce. Greenfield insists it's a state matter. Judge Fleischer bangs his gavel. Judge Fleischer. Order. Let's get this circus started. Ms. Whitman, your motion to transfer to federal court. Go. Sarah Whitman stands, sleek in a tailored suit, radiating confidence. She adjusts her glasses and launches in. Sarah, A.H. Your Honor, NextLeafI operates across state lines with servers in California, offices in New York, and clients nationwide. The contract with Greenfield Farms explicitly references interstate deliverables software hosted on cloud servers, under 28 U.S.C. Section 1332. Diversity of citizenship and the amount in controversy clearly place this in federal jurisdiction. She slides a stack of documents toward the bench, her voice crisp. SARAH. Exhibit A. The contract. Exhibit B. Our client list spanning 47 states. This isn't a local squabble, it's a federal matter. Jason Carter leaps up, his tie slightly crooked, papers spilling from his battered briefcase. Jason, objection, Your Honor. She's cherry-picking facts to dress this up as a federal case. Greenfield Farms is a mom-and-pop operation right here in Boone County. The contract was signed in this state, the work was done here, and the alleged breach, if there was one, happened here. This belongs in state court, plain and simple. Judge Fleischer leans forward, one eyebrow raised. Judge Fleischer. Mr. Carter, you're saying this is a local matter. But NextLeafI's got a point, those servers aren't exactly growing in your client's cornfields. Explain why this doesn't cross state lines. Jason paces, his voice rising with passion. Jason, Your Honor, NextLeafI wants to drag this to federal court because they know they'll outspend us there. It's a power play. The heart of this case is a contract signed at the Greenfield kitchen table, not some cloud server in Silicon Valley. The Supreme Court's Burger King v. Rujevich ruling says jurisdiction hinges on where the defendant's actions create a substantial connection. Greenfield's connection is here, not some federal fantasy land. The crowd murmurs. A law student in the back scribbles furiously. SARAH smirks, undeterred. SARAH. Your Honor, Burger King supports my argument. The defendant Greenfield reached out to NextLeafI, knowing we're a national company. They wired payments to our New York bank. That's purposeful availment of interstate commerce. Mr. Carter's folksy kitchen table story doesn't change the law. Jason slams his hand on the table, startling a clerk. Jason, folksy. This is real life, Ms. Whitman. You can't just waive a contract and erase a family's livelihood. The Erie Doctrine says state law governs substantive issues like this contract. If NextLeafI wants to play hardball, let's do it on our turf, under state rules. Judge Fleischer chuckles, rubbing his chin. Judge Fleischer, you two are giving me a headache and a show. Ms. Whitman, you're saying the interstate nature of NextLeafI's business pulls this into federal court. Mr. Carter, you're arguing the local roots of the deal. Keep it here. Both of you, sit down. I need a minute. The judge flips through the exhibits, muttering to himself. The room holds its breath. After a tense pause, Jason can't resist. Jason, Your Honor, one more thing. Nextlify's trying to forum shop. Their federal court motion cites cases like Worldwide Volkswagen, but that case actually limits jurisdiction to where the defendant has minimum contacts. Greenfield's contacts are 100% local. Nextlife's just bullying us with their deep pockets. Sarah A. shoots to her feet. CARAH, bullying, that's rich. Your Honor, Greenfield knew exactly who they were dealing with, national tech firm. They can't play the victim now. Hansen v. Denkla says jurisdiction follows purposeful acts, and Greenfield's payments to our accounts are as purposeful as it gets. The crowd erupts in whispers. A reporter types furiously on her phone. Judge Fleischer bangs his gavel. Judge Fleischer, enough. I've heard plenty, and I'm impressed. Ms. Whitman, your federal argument is tight interstate commerce is clear as day. But Mr. Carter, your state law angle and that Burger King citation, freaking awesome. You've got guts, son. He leans back, smirking. Judge Fleischer, here's the deal. I'm keeping this in state court. The contract's roots are local, and Greenfield's contacts don't justify federal jurisdiction. Nextlify, you'll fight this one on Boone County soil. But, Ms. Whitman, your argument was sharp. I'll be watching you. Case stays here. Adjourned. He bangs the gavel. The room explodes in chatter. Jason exhales, shaking hands with his clients, Mr. and Mr. S. Greenfield, who look teary-eyed with relief. Sarah A.H. packs her briefcase, muttering to her assistant about an appeal. The law students swarm Jason, asking for his card. In the back, a local reporter narrates into her phone. Reporter, in a stunning showdown, Judge Fleischer just called a local lawyer's argument freaking awesome. Keeping a major case in state court? This is one for the law books, folks. As the crowd files out, Judge Fleischer catches Jason's eye and gives a nod of respect. Jason nods back, a grin spreading across his face. Fade out.